Hello everyone, so today we will continue our authentic Chinese learning. Today we will learn the sentence of talking rubbish, how to say it in Chinese, talking rubbish. You are talking rubbish. Or say you are talking through your hat. 信口开河，随口乱说. How to say it in Chinese? Just to move to my pad, I will write it to you. Let's go. Okay, now move to my pad. Now write it talking rubbish or talking through your hat. Talking through your hat, talking rubbish, which means 信口开河 or we say it 胡言乱语 胡言乱语 talking rubbish, talking through your hat 信口开河胡言乱语 I write it in the Chinese 拼音信口开河 or 胡言乱语 or we say you are talking rubbish, you are talking through your hat 你在 which means you are talking through your hat 你在信口开河你在胡言乱语你在信口开河胡言乱语 You are talking rubbish. You are talking through your hat. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.